Let's build a UFO. I can already like tick off all this stuff and you'll be able to see what most of it is for the shape. It's these Nova pieces. Oops. What? I don't want to exit the builder. And then underneath the ones on the side, I've got Darkstar landing gears. Now just so you know, I'm using mods here. I'm using easier ship building so that everything can snap wherever I want it to without having to do glitches. And then I'm using better ship part snaps to give me more snap points. And better ship part flips lets me flip these to make the circle happen. Because I don't think you can't do these sideways ones in vanilla, so with mods you can. So now you can make a UFO. So here we go. I'm taking the gears off. It's really a really simple build. If you think about it, like just got guns on the side, main circle shape. You can do like whatever habitats you want. I haven't even gone through and made my habitats exactly what I want. I just went with default Ancient Mariners. So the entire top side is these two pieces. The rest of these I'll just delete them. We'll put them back how they went. I'll show you. You can see I've got up front all these guns hidden underneath. These engines were attached to this piece here, the Stroud piece. So I'll put all the engines over here. We got 3 of them. Avon Tech engines with a 300 speed, top speed. Alright, so yeah, these 2 pieces are going to make up that top shape. Take off the rest of these. Now this is a one-of-a-kind Hope Tech, so it's literally called one-of-a-kind. You see how it's hyphenated on the left side there? And it's got a big door, and that's what's cool about it. So, that goes there. That's your bay. Now check this out. I wanted this to be like engineering, so I glitched my fuel tanks into there. So, I'll just lift these up, actually. Fuel tanks, reactor, grav drive. All glitched inside of that. Now we're down to the habitats. Down to the habs. Oh yeah, I can get rid of that extra. I put all my equipment inside there, so y'all can see this piece here. Covers up that equipment, but then look, it's inside. So there's that electromagnetic weapon, EMP weapon, and then here's the Darkstar cloaking device, and then here's the what is it? That's a comm spike, I believe. That's a comm spike. Yeah, comm spike. And then this is the conduction grid and the whatchamacallit, scan jammer. So I've got all my equipment in there, and then I built out like a workshop around it, so I put a bunch of other stuff in there. But anyways, yeah. The rest of the habitats just have to be a square of this size, minus this one, because this is where your bridge goes. I used a Derretech because the entrance goes to the back. Back entrance, Kon-Tiki, snapped right there onto that 1x1. I've done all Ancient Mariners here, but honestly, like, I'm going to switch this out. These are going to be different habitats. Not right now, because that would take time. But yeah, do what you want with your habs. Equipment plate with a weapon. You can do whatever weapons you want. I went with obliterators, and I decided to spread them out so it'd be a wide spread of beams. I just went all across there. But that's everything. The only other thing you wouldn't have seen is the Docker right there on the underside. So that's the UFO taken apart. Really, like, not too complex. Let's put it back together. I'll show you guys how to do it. Put these guns back. Alright, so first off, get your habs into this shape, okay? And then your bay right there, okay? So here you go. Here's your bridge. There's your bay. Right behind your bay, there's your docker. We're doing the slim docker. I'm building all of this at a Darkstar terminal, which gives me access to all parts. So that makes it way faster if you download the Darkstar mod. I'll also be listing all the mods in the description. Now, I'll show you the inside too. This, see how this glitches right onto the cockpit? The captain's chair is actually in front of the wall of this piece, so you can still see out of it. So, little trick there. Hidden cockpit that you can still see from. Magic. Now we got headlights. Okay, we're just sticking everything back on. I'm gonna try and pick up the pace here. Nova pieces there. Oops. And then this on the back side there. Actually, that's where that goes. Probably should have stuck these weapons in beforehand, but it doesn't matter. Here's a gun. Place it there. Highlight my ship with left bumper and press A. Boom, snapped on. Exactly the right spot. Let's do that over here. You can do it up or down, so this time we'll go down one, press A, highlight the ship with left bumper, then press A. It didn't work that time. Oh my gosh. There it goes. Alright. Let's snap this on. Not there. Right there. Okay. Now here's all of our equipment. Put that in a circle around the hole in the middle. The hole in the middle is what connects these. There you go. So that's on there. That's basically the start to it. Let me get this gun on. I'll move forward. Okay. Engines are not going to be here. Let's get these in first. I went with fuel tanks here. Like, you can do whatever, and you don't have to do this. You can put your essentials other places. It doesn't matter. Wherever you want to hide it. You can hide it inside the shroud cowling if you don't want to see it inside here. You'd rather have this open. It's up to you. Make it your own. Now, I'll show you this layout with this shroud cowling here. I'm pressing left and right on the D-pad to switch these. They'll flip any which direction. And now that that's there, the engines can start to go in. There's one engine. Ooh. Y'all see that little trick? This piece right here does not flip sideways. So I just double up on these to make it smooth. Ah, wrong piece. Here we go. Flip, place. Grab one of these, flip it, place it. Grab one of these, flip it, place it. Grab the engine. I want it like right there, so there we go. And then you get, once it's there, you can just copy it. Press A, highlight your ship, press A, and it puts it in place. And there we are. We're nominal except for covering up these front guns. So let's get some sideways pieces here. There it is. UFO complete. And actually, I prefer the all black. I'm gonna paint the whole thing all black. Except for this, that's too dark. That's got to come up. Better. Alright. Alright, so now, let's walk through it. across the top of our UFO here. Perfect circle. Well, it's not really a circle, but it's got some flat sides. But it's okay. I like that. I like that entrance. Let's go up, see our workshop. Whoa. So that's the comm spike. Here's our grav drive. Here's our Darkstar cloaking device. Here's some fuel. There's our electromagnetic weapon. Here's some more fuel. There's our conduction grid and what's it called? Scan jammer. And then here's our reactor, a neutronic fusion. Here in Earth we use neutronic fission, but that's a neutronic fusion, so it's like doubly sci-fi. And then the inside is just like a ton of space. Let's check it out. Open all the doors. Cockpit. Oh no, there's a wall. Look, you can just walk right through it. And you can see out of it. From inside the cowling, you can't. You can see right through it because they didn't render the walls on the inside. Lots of space here, lots of space here. Got a door back here. The only problem with this is that these people are too scared to walk through the door. They don't walk past that threshold. They'll teleport through, but they won't walk over it. It's huge. It's huge. Y'all need to get out of my way. I'll just go this way. Yeah, we've already been up here. What's on this side? Even more space. So much space. You could put so much in here. Massive on the inside. Ranch style home in space. Alright, let's take it up to space. We'll shoot the weapons, then I'm gonna clock out of this build guide. It's been less than 15 minutes. We took it apart, put it back together. Not bad.
And we're off.
Those Avon Tech engines have no trail.
Insertion completed.
This thing disappears while it flies. Check it out. That's that Darkstar cloaking device. Alright, here's some weapons. Right trigger. Left trigger. The Y button. Everything together. From third person. I mean, that's some mean firepower. Those are Darkstar and Matilija weapons. Whoa. So here it is coming back from being cloaked. Firing off all guns. A lot of firepower. It's a fun ship. I can't wait to get the inside decorated. I think I've got the outside finished, how it is.